ever owned something so adorable, yet so evil at the same time? Well, today, we're talking about this fluffy little alarm clock, the one with 0 snooze button. That's right, no mercy, no negotiation. When it screams, you wake up, or you meet your destiny. So, buckle up, because this cute fuzzball is about to ruin your sleep schedule, and possibly your life choices.
Daddy, 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 wake up, wake up. Give me belly rubs. Give me. Wake up, daddy, wake up, wake up, wake up.
The cute chihuahua is waking up its owner with no off button.
Give me. Wake up, daddy, wake up, wake up, wake up. Thank you, daddy. Oh, it's so relaxing. Hi. Good morning.
His personal alarm clock will steadily wake him up every morning. This alarm routine is so cute. Dogs really have their own preferences.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Get it.
Just a man and 9 alarms with no off button.
Wake your daddy up.
Can I not sleep more? Okay, you come here.
Every day, Gus decides how he will wake me up each morning.
Hi. Good morning.
He's like, there's no way she's sleeping like this, so he keeps calling her.
She's not waking up.
一旦起きてってほら。起きなさいってみんな待ってるよ、ここでほら。
He's scared because he only sees 2 glowing eyes in the dark. He lifts his head to gain more strength. Girl, get yourself a helmet.
Good morning. Hi.
You're trying to hold him back, but he can't be stopped.
Ding dong.
Oh yes, that sound is better than anything your alarm could make.
Fuck, is that right?
Thank God it's Friday, he said. It's time to wake up. Are there any other alarm clocks that do the same without a snooze button?
What?
Good morning. It's time to get up. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
When you're trying to lounge on Sunday and suddenly your furry alarm climbs on you.
Can I help you? Wow. Really? I guess you want breakfast.
Good morning, my baby.
The pet dog waking its owner up on time is so adorable. This alarm clock is still alive. Love has no snooze button. All right, everyone, it's time to get up. Who needs an alarm clock when you have a Doberman biting you?
Ding dong.
3, 2, 1, go! Walk capture.
This is how my dog wakes me up when I'm home for the weekend.
The best alarm clock. Such a cute and sweet boy. He's trying to be as polite as possible while being the alarm clock.
Hello. Are you coming? Shall I come down? Yeah.
He's like an alarm clock. His eyes look just like a cartoon character.
Are you gonna say hi? Are you gonna say hi?
And turn your big ass around and get the fuck back to your fucking seat. The fuck is wrong with your ashy ass?
Okay,
Your fucking ankle.
Okay, disco.
All right.
Of course you do. Alright. Go on then. Okay. Oh, it's a good boy. We have to get up there now.
He's like an alarm clock with no snooze button every morning.
Dog is so cute.
This is how she wakes me up. She gets up all on my face. Oh, now she's annoyed. She's leaving me.
He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. Oh. What? Good morning. Good morning.
It's time for the human to wake up, and he's ready to be the alarm clock.
Hi. Hello. Hi. I missed you when I was asleep. I did. I missed you. I dreamt about you. Yep. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, Maisie.
I brought these gifts for you. They're up in my bum.
No! Bruh, damn! Yo, my man, leave me alone. Go to bed, please.
Murph is like, "Mom, move! I'm trying to get my bone." That's also a way to wake someone up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.